agriculture. Types of farming cropping pattern, meson crops. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces not only the food we eat but raw material for various industries. So let us try to understand about agriculture in India. Types of farming. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial type. Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming depends upon monsoon natural fertility of soil and suitability of other environmental conditions. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Land productivity in this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use fertilizers or other modern inputs. It is known by different names in different parts of the country. Example, Juming in northeastern states, Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Kumari in Western Ghats, etc. Intensive subsistence farming. It is labor-intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigations are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. The main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. Example, high-yielding variety HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. In plantation, a single crop is grown on a large area. In India, tea in Assam, coffee in Karnataka are mainly grown in these states. Here, processing industries and market bigger provision. Cropping pattern. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh are important for the producing of wheat and other Rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown in monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September to October. Paddy, maize, jute, tur, groundnut, soybean are some of the examples. Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are Kharif crops producing states. In between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Zayed season. Some of the crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc. Let us know more about the major crops in India. Rice. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. Rice is grown in north and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltaic regions. Canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall, such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat. It requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Millets. Jawar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Jawar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas, which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jawar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and shallow black soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Maize. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Pulses. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses are tur, arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas, and gram. Pulses need less moisture. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Sugarcane. Sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. It is the main source of sugar, gur, jaggery, khansari, and molasses. Major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, sesame, soybean, coconut, cotton seeds, linseed, and sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums. However, some of these are also used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetic, and ointments. Groundnut is a kharif crop. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Tea. The plant grows well in tropical climates with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Major reproducing states are Assam, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Coffee. Cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan Hills, and even today its cultivation confined to the Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. Mangoes of Maharashtra, bananas of Kerala, lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, pineapples of Meghalaya, oranges of Nagpur, grapes of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, apples, pears, apricots, and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are in great demand the world over. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetable. It is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato. Rubber. Grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeter and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman and Nicobar. Cotton. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. Cotton grows well in drier parts of the black cotton soil of the Decca Plateau. Requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Jute grows well on well-drained fertile soils in the food plains where soils are renewed every year. High temperature is required during the time of growth. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa, and Meghalaya are the major jute producing states.